Today, we're tackling a 3,000-year-old cold case.
So, was King David real or just a myth? It's a huge question for historians.
For a long time, the Bible was the only source. To archaeologists, that's just not enough.
For almost 3,000 years, there was no physical proof. Nothing. Then, a breakthrough.
Then, boom, 1993, archaeologists find a broken stone slab, a huge clue.
And carved right into it was this phrase, House of David, a total game changer.
So, what does this mean? It proves the House of David was a real political power.
Okay, a name is great, but was David just some local chieftain like many thought?
The next big clue comes from a site called Khirbet Qeiyafa, dating right to David's time.
And get this, we're talking massive walls, 2 gates. This wasn't just some village.
This kind of city planning points to a real centralized government.
And to really get it, you gotta look at his rivals, the Philistines.
Digs at Gath, yup, Goliath's hometown, show just how powerful the Philistines really were.
And back in Jerusalem, even small pottery shards are helping to line up the timeline.
So what's the verdict? Look, you're never gonna find a sign that says, David was here.
That's not how archaeology works. It's all about connecting the dots, piece by piece.
The debate has now shifted from if he existed to how big his kingdom was.
The bottom line? The evidence now points to a real historical figure ruling a real kingdom.
So the big question is, with everything we're finding, what will the next discovery tell us?